Hey guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and today I'm going to show you how to make an oil-free hummus. For those of us trying to avoid oil in our diet, it can be really hard to find a store-bought hummus that is oil-free. So today I'm going to show you a really quick, easy recipe to make your own, and you can tweak it to your own dietary needs. We're going to start by adding 2 cups of chickpeas. Now I made these in my Instant Pot, so they are salt-free. If that's not a dietary consideration of yours, you could just use a regular can of chickpeas as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable broth. I ended up adding about 4 to this recipe to get it to the consistency I wanted. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. You could use liquid aminos, coconut aminos, whatever you have on hand. Then I'm also going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then we're going to put the lid on and start to blend it to the consistency that we want. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. I like to add this in after I've blended it a little bit, just because I feel like it blends in better, and nobody likes to get a big chunk of garlic in their hummus. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit more vegetable broth. You can kind of eyeball this until it's the consistency that you want. I like it pretty smooth. If you like a thicker, chunkier hummus, obviously then you'll use less liquid. I didn't notice my dog in this clip until I was editing, but apparently she thought the hummus smelled good. I just scraped down the sides every now and then and kept blending until it was a consistency that I wanted. And once it looks good, you can go ahead and just put it in a container and start eating it. The nice part about this is you can kind of tweak the flavor however you want. I mean, you could put some olives in there. You can blend it if you want it really smooth, if you like it a little chunkier. If you're not doing a no salt diet, of course, you could add some salt to it as well. But the nice thing about making it yourself is you totally control the ingredients that go into it. So there you have it, just a quick and easy recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and leave links below to my blog, any products that I used in this video that I have a link to, and all that good stuff. So if you don't already subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's where you can really find like the most current updates. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.